If you're ready to run Meta ads, here is how to set up Meta Ads Manager on your computer. You don't want to be boosting posts on your phone or using the Ads Manager app on your phone. You need to do this on computer in order to run profitable Facebook ads. I can help you run profitable Facebook ads in the other videos on my channel, but in this one, we are just going to be setting up your account so that everything is linked properly and you don't have any technical headaches. So let's get right into it. If you are not already able to see this kind of screen, if you go to adsmanager.facebook.com and you aren't able to see this, you're just going to go through the Start Now setup, create an account. It should be pretty straightforward to just at least get to here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click up on this drop down arrow and you will see if you have a business portfolio. Now, a lot of you don't because you just have this account down here. This might be because you boosted some posts. So if you go in there, you'll see all the posts that you've boosted over time. Otherwise, you're going to want to go to create a business portfolio if you don't already have one. Just so you know how the ownership of the different accounts works, you have your Facebook's ad account, so your ad account that runs on Facebook and Instagram, which is owned by your business portfolio, which you do need to create to get the full functionality of Ads Manager, which is owned by your personal Facebook profile. As you can see at the top right of my screen, that it is your actual original Facebook profile that technically owns all of your other business assets. Don't worry, your ads won't run from your profile, but that's just how it is structured. So you do need the business portfolio and then the ad account underneath. Next thing you're going to do is click on business settings. Be mindful that it says business settings and not settings because they are different. Once you're in here, under people, you should see yourself. Now, if you don't, then obviously add yourself. And then if there are any other admins that you want on this account, this is the easiest way to do it, to go to invite people right here, and then you'll simply put in their email address. Before you do that though, you are going to need to create your assets. So we're going to need to link our Facebook pages, our Instagram account, and anything else to our ads manager in order to make sure we're able to run ads from all of the correct accounts. So you're going to go to pages, and if you don't see your page, you're going to add an existing Facebook page. And you should easily see it by just even typing in the first letter of your page. It should auto-populate. And then what you will do is you will go to assign people on that page. You will assign it to you. You will give yourself full control. If it is an agency running ads for you, you just need to do ads. Otherwise, you can assign yourself full control and click assign. The next thing you're going to do is go to connect assets. And you're going to connect the Instagram account. Go ahead and just log into Instagram there. And it might already automatically populate if you have your Instagram connected to your Facebook page, which if you don't, the easiest way is through the Instagram app. You'll go on there, you'll go to profile, you'll click on edit profile, and then you will scroll down to page, and then you'll connect it to your Facebook page through the Instagram app. That's the easiest and quickest way. Then you will go to ad accounts and you will create a new ad account if you don't already have one. And similarly, you will assign it to yourself or any other respective users and give yourself full control. Then you can create your Facebook pixel. We are not going to talk about that in this video, but I do have a video on how to do that. In short, the best way to do it is through wherever you made your website, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace. Starting there is generally a better way to go about linking your pixel. You can also go to Events Manager and then Partner Integrations in order to create a direct link from Facebook to Squarespace or whatever website you used. So it's a different video for the pixel. But then after that, you're going to link your card to billing and payments. And then just start going through some of these down here. It's not imperative to run ads. You should be good to go after getting the payment method set up. But otherwise, you can go through here and just make sure it has your correct name, email, phone number, address, verify your business. There's some other steps that you can go through down here that I would just start clicking through everything and just make sure all the information is up to date. Otherwise, you will be good to go for running ads. If you need help running ads, I will link a video right after this that will show you how to set up your ads as well as how to create your ads. So be sure to check that out, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.